ELA Informational Text Pre-Assessment. This is the second half of the pre-assessment. Please use the same text so you don't have to learn a new article. Thank you, readers. Here is your video. Question 1. The way an author presents opposing viewpoints tells readers a lot about the author's point of view and purpose for writing. What opposing viewpoints does this author include? And what does that tell us about this author's point of view and purpose for writing? One opposing viewpoint the author includes is, for example, this tells us that the author's point of view is, I think the author's purpose for writing this text is. And 2, think about about what makes an argument great. Think about what makes an argument great. Does this author make a great argument? Please support your answer with evidence from across the text, beginning and end. The following questions may help you decide. How does the author build the argument? What kind of evidence does the author use to support the argument? Is there enough evidence? Is there evidence that isn't helpful? I think the author's argument about is strong or weak because, however. Thank you.